Now that you have your files organized and renamed, we're going to make a contact sheet. If you have Adobe Bridge, it's really easy to make a contact sheet. You just select all of your images. You're going to go to Tools, Photoshop, Contact Sheet. And then right here it tells you have 20 files selected. Your document, we'll just go ahead and make this 8.5 by 11, like a normal sheet of paper. That's fine for your document. It doesn't have to be that resolution, but really you just want your page size to be right. And then down here for thumbnails, okay, just turn on auto spacing, and we're going to do, we're going to do 5 columns of 4 because most of my shots are vertical. I don't want to rotate them. You can have the file name included in the contact sheet, and for this one I'll just go ahead and run it. But sometimes that's good so that if you want to go back and identify one, and if you do use Adobe Bridge to make your contact sheet, it would be helpful to have the file name. That way, if we want to tell you like, hey, we think number 9 is your strongest image, we have a label that we can refer to. But we'll see what it looks like once it loads. So here we go. Okay, yeah, see, our file names are so long that's too much. I'm going to go back and redo it and take it off. But see, now we have a contact sheet, so we can quickly peek at all of your images. So now I'm just going to go back real quick, and I'm going to do this again without the Photoshop contact sheet. And we're going to take this off. There used to be more options. It used to be that you could just like number it and stuff, but unfortunately they took that away. So now we're going to run this again. Yay, now we have a contact sheet where we can quickly see little thumbnails of all of your images. And so from right here, you're just going to go to save as, either save this as a JPEG or as a PDF with your first and last name, the assignment ID, and instead of a number at the end, just put contact sheet.